Imran Khan told members of the media on Thursday that he has formed a 5-member negotiation committee on 2 points: the release of under-trial political prisoners and the establishment of a judicial commission for transparent investigations into the events of May 9, 2023 and the November 26 Islamabad massacre. Pakistan's arbitrarily detained legitimate Prime Minister Imran Khan sent a message to the nation from Adiala jail on Thursday, asking overseas Pakistanis to limit remittances and initiate a boycott campaign as a step towards a civil disobedience movement. He added that he will announce further steps in the second phase of his movement if the demands are not met by December 12th. Mr. Khan said that a dictatorship has been established in the country as a result of state terrorism. Unarmed political workers were fired upon, and peaceful unarmed political workers were martyred while hundreds remain missing. He urged the Supreme Court to take notice of this and fulfill its constitutional role. Public outrage over the use of war-grade weapons on unarmed protesters by security forces in the Islamabad massacre has led to the general public campaigning for the boycott of businesses and products owned and operated by Pakistan's military. Pakistan is one of the very few countries in the world whose armed forces are involved in multiple business ventures across various sectors of the economy. The Army's business interests include Fauji Foods, Fauji Fertilizers, Askari Bank, Defense Housing Societies, Fauji Cement, and several others. Pakistan Supreme Court Senior Puisne Judge Justice Mansoor Ali Shah has written to the Chief Justice of Pakistan, Justice Yahya Afridi, urging the formation of a full court to hear pleas challenging the 26th Constitutional Amendment. In his letter, Justice Mansoor Ali Shah said that the petitions, which questioned the amendment's constitutionality, should be heard by a full court to ensure a thorough and conclusive ruling. Justice Shah pointed out the urgency of addressing these petitions and urged the Chief Justice to direct the Registrar to schedule them for hearing before a full court bench. After less than 4 months in power, French Prime Minister Michel Barnier resigned after his government lost a no-confidence vote in Parliament over a social security budget dispute. Meanwhile, earlier in the week, South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol imposed martial law, citing the need to protect the country from North Korea as well as the need to eliminate anti-state elements. However, legislators entered parliament and voted to lift the martial law, which eventually lasted only 2 hours.